I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the world, appointed by Creator of the world. Every day God is invite us some spiritual souls at His home and teaches us great lessons. And after that, God always tell us to convey this message, this beautiful message to the entire humanity for pleasureful life for entire humanity and also pleasureful life for all living beings in the world. Today we will understand this message. Who can obtain God? For that, who can help for obtaining God? Whose permission required for obtaining God? Which formalities are to be required for obtaining God? These four answers today we will learn here. Those person who himself wishes and stand up for God, such person must do hard works himself and understand two true Sadgurus and true Kamide Murshid as per Islam and true spiritual masters and true spiritual guide required for them who eager to obtaining God must obtain this such type of true spiritual masters, then such person can obtain God. Here, wishes of eager person to obtaining God is must and required. Second is knowledgeful, experienceful spiritual masters can help for obtaining God. God selected, appointed, and God gives some training, special trainings, and God gives some special powers to such spiritual masters. Then order to them to play a role as a mediatory for those person who eager to obtaining God and those who want to obtain God. Such qualified spiritual masters can help for obtaining God for those who wishes to obtain God. Third one is when God wishes and give permission to God's appointed spiritual persons for those eager persons who wishes to obtain God is required for obtaining God. In short, God's permission is required for obtain God. Without God's permission and wishes, nobody can obtain God. If mediatory spiritual masters request to God for particular genuine persons to grant for meeting and obtaining the God, then earlier decisions of God can change by God on the request of spiritual masters. This is special provisions between God and His friends, those who are playing their role as a spiritual masters in this world. All legal persons, those wishes to obtain God, must find a true and with knowledgeful spiritual masters as a mediatory and follow his guidance and must have to follow spiritual practices under spiritual masters to is most necessary. All such eager persons for obtaining God must do spiritual practices, then they can grant divine, then they can generate divine and spiritual energy in their heart. So after enlightenment such people can obtain our lovely God. After completion such spiritual formalities, then obtain God. This is spiritual true path is if anybody follow then obtaining God. We can understand these spiritual systems by taking one example. Eager person want to obtain God like as a travelers desire to reach at America needs visa for America equal necessary for God approval is necessary. Eager person is necessary to travel and obtain God, like wishes to travel to America without his wishes and choice to go at America will not possible. Same required in obtaining God. 2. Spiritual master is mediator, like as travel agent, who provide all help from start journey to destination up to America, like up to with God. But in spirituality, one special facility is available for eager person who is great. If flight will cancelled, tickets will not available, even plane accident or plane crashes, such cases physical travelers cannot reach at America. But in spirituality, spiritual masters have special divine powers. By these powers, any case or any circumstances, eager person can obtain God. Through such true spiritual masters, even God can change his intentions for grant visa for eager person. Once God has rejected one person, then the reapproval can possible by spiritual masters as a friend of God and eager person too. This is one special facilities in spirituality. So we can recommend to all people of the world, please find out true spiritual masters for obtaining God. I am request to all people of the world, please send your divine and excellent experience of your life so that I can spread your experience in each and every corner of the world so that people can be benefited from your noble experiences of your noble lives. I am praying to God, oh God, please make your showers powerful and knowledgeable showers on the all humanity and all living beings in the world so that people can come out from the coronavirus situations and all people and all living beings can get pleasureful life so that, oh God, please make your spiritual powers on all living beings in the world. Oh, my dear peoples, this is the message I received from house of the God. This message is not come from my own mind. This is my humble duty as a mother of the world. God has appointed me to performing such excellent and spiritual duties for benefit of entire humanity, so that I am performing my humble duty from order by God, and I am a servant of all humanity, so that I am performing my duty as a servant of God, as a servant of all of you, my dear all people of the world. God bless to everybody. Oh God, please make all mankind with their life healthy, wealthy, and full of happiness. We will meet from time to time. Up to next meeting. Please give me permission to live here. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.